Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Gemini to secure accounts alongside identity protection. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser on your device. Navigate to the official Gemini website. Click on the sign up button to create a new account if you don't have one. If you already have an account, click on log in and enter your credentials. Once logged in, locate the security settings section in your account dashboard. Enable two-factor authentication, also known as 2FA. Choose your preferred 2FA method, such as an authentication app or SMS. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your chosen method. Once 2FA is enabled, you'll receive a verification code whenever you log in. Next, consider connecting a secure email account for account recovery. Make sure this email is different from the one used for your Gemini account. Set up security questions to add an additional layer of protection. Review your account activity regularly to monitor for unauthorized access. If you spot any suspicious activity, change your password immediately. Now, let's focus on identity protection. Consider enrolling in an identity theft protection service. These services can monitor your personal information across the web. They can alert you if any of your information has been compromised. Keep your software, especially security software, updated regularly. Be cautious of phishing attempts and avoid clicking on suspicious links. Use strong, unique passwords for each of your accounts. Consider using a password manager to help manage your passwords securely. Finally, educate yourself about the latest trends in online security. Staying informed will help you protect your identity and secure your accounts effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.